Where they safe at, bro? Hey.
Like science speed, you gonna roll like
Rocket launcher, Osama in the kitchen, whipping around.
like the fence link.
That ain't it. Whipping the white girl, Madonna. Ooh, I meet up her back in Wakanda. You see, baby, I ain't driving no Honda. Dripping that water, ocean, Moana.
In the game right now.
That he been still boyfriend, sorry. Touchdown, fire, Carson Wentz.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Micah on set, cause you know he do it the best. hey man, I had to post another monkey vid for y'all, cause I noticed a lot of y'all like the monkey vid, so I'm gonna just keep on posting. I try to post more monkey videos for y'all. But I ain't gonna waste too much of y'all time. This y'all gonna like, comment, subscribe. I tell y'all the same thing. Y'all already know what to do. Let's get in the video, man. Let's get it. Hey, let me see you shoot.
Bet. Right here. Hey.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Alright, give it another try.
I'm actually trying out for the NBA right now.
You trying out for the NBA?
Yeah.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
How do you sit in here with your own?
Brother, this guy stinks.
Wahoo! Yippee!
Yo.
Can you rate my friend? Una vez más.
Ay, Dios.
He's trying so hard not to laugh. Why you? I'm cute to you or no?
Huh?
I'm cute to you or no?
Oh. What do I rate her? I'm gonna give her a solid 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. She got a fat booty too.
Yeah.
She got a fat booty.
Hell nah, nigga.
Oh yeah.
Cooking with
Kaya, nigga.
Cooking with Kaya?
You know what?
I said I mess with Cooking with Kaya, bro.
Mess with her. That's my girlfriend, bro.
Cooking with Kaya, your girlfriend?
That's my wife.
That's your wife?
Like I did it, bro. I broke up with my girl just so I can fantasize about her, bro. Like, is that serious?
Of
I was
course.
with my girl for five years, my nigga. I broke up with her for Cooking with Kaya, bro.
What the fuck?
She never hit me back, so like, I don't know what to do now.
You just
It's me and you, bro. Link with me. Let's go. Psych, nigga.
what
I'm
the
not
fuck?
gay.
Oh yeah.
I'm gay. I want you, nigga. I'm just joking, bro.
What the fuck?
This motherfucker, man. Some people I just want to crash out on. Not you, but some people I just feel like crashing out on for real. You
Dang.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You ever
What?
just get like that? You ever just get that feeling where you just like, mad
Yeah.
at a motherfucker?
Yeah. Why you want to crash out?
Some real shit.
Your girl cheated or something?
I mean,
Something like
my
that.
last girl I broke up with, she was laying her hands on me, and then I slapped the fuck out that bitch back because I wasn't finna take no disrespect from nobody. And then I said, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. I ain't gonna have my bitch manhandling me. What the fuck?
So you turned to Chris Breezy. That's what you tell me.
I mean, she laid her hands on me first, so it's fair. I mean, she started yelling at me on some kind of fuck shit and all this. I was like, who the fuck you yelling at? So I
Real
started
big.
yelling at that bitch big, and then she started laying her hands on me. I said,
Dang. So,
I ain't hit her when I slept. I hit her with that fist. I gave that bitch a knuckle sandwich. I said,
oh you
night.
you oh you was put you were put.
Only one time. That was enough.
Dang, bro. So your ass had to
I
turn to
said-
Chris Breezy.
I had to remind that bitch who the fuck I am. My
So-
nose ain't crooked for no reason, bro. That's all I'm saying.
Bro, your ass don't turn to Chris Breezy. Chris Brown, the motherfucker.
No, I turned it. I'm not even gonna make that joke. I can't diss on him, bro. I turned it to Kendrick
crazy.
Lamar for real.
You said Kendrick Lamar? Dang.
Yeah,
So
Yeah,
she just
yeah.
she tried to punch you first, and you just had to.
he had his wife for real. I don't know what's up with all these music artists and their wife. Like, what the fuck is up with that, bro?
I
Like
don't know.
Jack Bryan too. Like, what the fuck?
All right, bro. It's a pretty interesting story. Catch you later, bro.
I wish you the best of luck with the hoes, my boy. You stay safe.
All right, bro. Oh, you play the guitar? Hey, let me hear something. W. Hey man, I just wanted you to know you on YouTube, bro. Pretty good, bro. Rock and roll.
What up, Micah?
What up?
Look, we're all twins. We're all twins.
Twin.
Wait, let us post you on our TikTok and follow our TikTok. Can you follow our TikTok?
My
follow you
TikTok.
back.
I deleted my TikTok because I was mad, bro.
Bro. No, he on TikTok through email right now, bro. He watching TikTok. He watching TikTok through like a VPN right now.
Nah,
Okay,
nah.
we're gonna. No, I saved us. We're gonna post you on our TikTok.
All right.
Yeah. Well, do you have like a YouTube or nothing we can promote you?
Yeah, I got one for real.
Which middle school has the worst?
Let me hit him.
My dad won. Okay. Nah, nigga. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
You told it. You burnt the bacon. Wait. I'm not used to this yet. Hold on. Okay. Restart. Restart.
That's my YouTube, by the way. That name right there.
Alright. Okay, but what sound should we use? Sammy, speak yourself up in here. What sound should we use? Oh my god. Sexy red. Sexy red. I kind of want to just be freaky. Let me use this one. Yeah. Yeah, do it. Ready? I'm so sorry.
What the?
Alright, hold on. Hold your horses. Let me tag you.
I know. Ethan has the biggest bonnet. He has the least hair of all of us.
YouTube.
Alright, go.
Keep
Go!
our bonnet twin.
Keep y'all's bonnet on.
For real.
Hashtag keep your bonnet on.
Hashtag keep your bonnet on.
Like,
We're making a new hashtag.
Hashtag for you page.
hey, by the way,
Hashtag bonnet.
hey,
Monkey.
No, you can't say that because that's kind of racist.
No, like the app. You can already see we're on the
That's a
app.
monkey app, but monkey app.
Sorry.
Hashtag monkey app. There.
bruh.
We already almost got canceled before, bro. We haven't even posted anything yet. Because we have like hearts in our bios and it's the yellow, the white, and the black, and then under it says minors. And people thought we were saying we heart minors.
Oh, y'all on that Diddy shit, bro.
No!
Alright, we're posting it.
No! You're not seeing my face in it?
Barely. Work check. Work check.
I couldn't find this account work check.
It's British Science doesn't work check.
By the way, how old y'all is?
Minors.
Look at our bio.
My what? Okay, what's the age? Like, what's the age?
Can't hear you. Hold on.
What is the age?
16.
No. It's crazy how you said the N word though. I ain't getting past that though.
Oh,
God.
That was me, I'm sorry.
That was you.
Me? I'm half black though.
You have okay. That ain't even bad. You half black, so you can say it.
Oh.
See me? I put all those emojis in the bio. You see that? Because I love white people. I love Asian people. And I love black people.
You love all people.
I did. I thought dream last night that I ate too much and I got fat. No, it was really scary. I just got scared when I woke up. I got so scared I woke up and made my bed, bro. I was so scared.
Nick Avocado, that's crazy.
You send me a pretzel, bro. This fellow wants a pretzel so bad. Sit. Now lay down. Lay down. All the way down. Yeah. This stupid dog.
Rate our bonnets 1 to 10.
You said what?
Rate our bonnets on a scale of 1 to 10.
Let me see.
We'll rate yours. If you rate us first.
All right, I'm gonna give both of y'all bonnets 10 out of 10.
All right, bet. Your bonnet, I'll give it a 7.5. It's pretty basic, but like it's classy at the same time. I used to have that bonnet. It was a good bonnet.
I think his is a good 11 out of 10 bonnet. Like it's you can get I like the difference. Like it's good. It's nice. It's nonchalant. It's good.
It's what?
For going on monkey and getting in the house.
It's crazy.
Wait, hold on. Tell me if this looks good. Hold on, not yet. Hold on.
What happened?
Hold on. Take the fucking bonnet off. Hold up. Girl, take it off. Girl, bye. Okay.
Bruh, why are you wiping your nose? You not, bruh.
Man, what the fuck? Gary, he's not supposed to.
Hey yo, my man.
Hey yo, nigga.
Yo,
What's up?
singer.
What's up, my nigga? Nigga.
No. What's up, nigga?
What's up, nigga? But damn.
Smash. Raw. Every inch.
What?
Think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and we out. Peace.